Hello everybody, Sorin here. Welcome to our next lecture from our course on social media images. And in this lecture, we will talk about the structure of this course and exactly which are the topics that we will cover and which are the tools that you will see and what you will actually learn in this course. So first of all, in the first part of the course, you will see tools that will help you create, resize, and enhance your images for social media. That means that you will use your own images, for example, maybe a photo of yourself to create a profile image, or something that you want to post on your wall on Facebook, or something that you want to tweet on Twitter, or if you want to use maybe as a brand or a profile photo or cover photo for your LinkedIn profile. So we will actually use more some of your own images to create them, to resize them to the proper sizes, so that your audience sees them correctly, and to enhance them for using them on your social accounts. Now in the second part, we will see tools, and you will actually learn about tools that allow you to use templates, different backgrounds and graphics to create more professional looking images. You will see that we have a couple of very good alternatives online that you can fastly use, have proven to convert templates, different types of graphics, icons and backgrounds that will create amazing images for your social media accounts. Then in the third part, we will talk about tools that allow you to create viral images like quotes images. I think that everybody has seen that lately there is like a trend, okay, in using viral images with quotes. And for example, if you are in the personal development niche, if you are a trainer, if you are a coach, this can be very helpful. Also, if you are in network marketing, these are just a couple of examples of businesses or jobs, okay, in which you can be involved, and in which this type of tools can help you a lot, because people are into this type of images, and this can create virality for your brand and for your business, and that means more exposure and overall more revenue for your business. And in the fourth part, obviously, we'll talk about other tools that can be very interesting for your image creation, okay, different tools that you can use. And also, in time, I will add more lectures to this course. I will update the course, and I will also add bonus lectures for you guys, surprises that I know you will love along the way. Thank you for your attention. You know that you are awesome. I will see you guys in the next lecture. I send you my best wishes. Till then, Sorin here. Bye bye. Hello guys, Sorin Constantin here. Welcome to our first lecture from our course on social media images. I've created for you a small introduction to the course so you can understand better the benefits that you will get out of this course, and why it's important to be very careful with your images in social media and what type of impact can they have into your business. Now let's dive in with the information. Exactly as I've told you before, we need to focus on why is this so important for you to use very good social media images to engage your audience and to have a very good impact overall on your business. Now, the first thing that I would underline is that images increase your conversions in social media with even more than 150% compared to text posts. That is absolutely huge. You can just think about it like this: if you have an income out of a business by using social media of up to $1,000 per month, this can increase your income to $2,500 per month. So this is the actual impact that this can have over your business, into your actual business. Now, another thing that it's very important to keep in mind is that images help you engage your audience a lot. It has been proven before that the first thing, for example, the first thing that people look at when they see an ad on Facebook is the image. That will make them click on your ad, and after that, some of the people that see the ad will actually read the text, but most of them will click on your ad because of the image. Now, as you know already, an image worth 1,000 words, and the message you send is much stronger when you use an image. Okay, why? Because images are emotional and they have a much higher impact over your audience. Okay, And the last thing that I would underline, though there are many other important things related to images, I thought that these four of them are the ones that have the greatest impact in the beginning when starting to use properly images in your social media campaigns and marketing. The last one that I would underline and point out is that images helps with your online branding, even if it's for a business, okay, even if it's for personal branding. It's keeping a sense of unity and flow. People can recognize better your personal style. That if you will use a certain personal style, which is called brand system for recognition, okay, and practically that means to use the same colors all the time, to use a logo and other stuff like that. But images help a lot to keep a sense of unity of your brand and to make people recognize you much better. uh, that was all, guys. I thank you for your attention. You know already that you are awesome, and I will see you guys in the next lecture where we will talk a little bit about the structure of this course. Thank you, and I send you my best wishes. Sorin Constantin here. Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how you can use a free online platform, which is actually very cool. It will help you to create different types of graphics and different types of templates that you can use for different marketing activities that you have in your business, like Facebook covers, Twitter covers, YouTube thumbnails, different envelopes, business cards, and other things like that. You will see that you will have a multiple of templates and layouts from which you can choose and from which you can select the one that it's fitted for you and for your needs in your marketing activity. Now, the platform that I want to share with you in this video and show you exactly how you can use it, it's called Relay. Now, first things first, what you have to do is go to the web page or website that you can see right now on my screen here in my browser address, so relaythat.com. okay, basically the name I think states it all. You take everything that you have, graphical elements, okay, images and all that other stuff, and you just simply relay it, okay, put it in a different order, create a different layout, because that's what the app is all about. Now, what you want to do after you come to this page, you want to sign up for free. You will see this big button here, sign up free. Okay, you create a free account, and afterwards you will be able to log into your account. Now, I will log into my account, which I've already created, and I will show you step by step how you can create some designs, okay, which are the options that you have using this amazing app. And I am sure that you are going to love it 100% and that you are going to use it into your business or even for personal stuff, I know, like Facebook personal covers and other things like that, okay, just to have fun, let's say so. So after you have created your account, if you go back on this page here, relaythat.com, you will have this option. Okay, as you can see, for me it's account log out. For you it will be login. You log in with your credentials. Now I will just press here on this button and it will bring me back to this page. Okay, so basically you will see that I have this menu here, okay, layouts, projects, archive, Go Pro. Obviously all online platforms that have a sign up free button and have a free version have also a paid version for those that want more from them, and also like a short training if you want to understand better how to go through the app, but it won't be the case because you will have already been through this course and you will know how to use it. Okay, so first things first, what you want to do is go to the layout section here. So I will just click on the layout section. And basically here is the editor. Here you will select your layout, your templates, absolutely everything. Okay, now what you'll see here in the left side is a menu from which you can select your templates. You'll see that they are organized in let's say in different categories based on the purpose that you want to use the design for. Like for example, posts, okay, for social square posts, social white posts, like for Facebook, for Instagram, for Twitter, covers, Facebook cover, Twitter header, creators, maybe, I don't know, you want to create a mock-up or an infographic or a book cover, a book promo, or even presentations, okay, or album cover. Ads, maybe you want to create a Facebook ad. So for those of you who are running Facebook ads for their businesses right now at this moment, this tool can actually be very, very useful. And you'll see that you also have a set of tools here like cropping photos, Snapchat filters, collages. If you want to create collages, I know, for personal reasons, or to expose like a portfolio of your business. Maybe you are a photographer, or you have different types of products into your business. This tool can actually be very, very useful. An Instagram plan, watermarker, if you want to add watermarks to your photos. Again, maybe you are a photographer or something like that. That tool can be also very, very useful, and we will go fast through them so you can just have like an idea, because they are very easy to use. And if you are interested specifically in one of them, you will discover on your own how to use it, because you will see it's very intuitive and easy to use, as I specified before. Now let me go back to in the upper part of my dashboard. The first thing that you are going to see in your menu here is this theme section, and if I will click on this theme section, you will see that I have a number of themes here, through which I can scroll. Basically, this type of themes will change the colors and the fonts that I use for all of my templates that I can see here. So basically, the themes are like something that come over the templates. It will change the colors and the fonts that you are using in any of your templates, or in any of your graphics. For example, let's select the first one, Facebook branded. I will confirm it, and as you can see, it changed the fonts here, it changed the colors to all my logos and other stuff like that. Now here, if you will see this other section in the menu, in the left side menu, layouts, here we can basically see all the layouts that we have. So we don't have a specific order. If you just scroll down, you will see a lot of layouts, and we don't want to see them all. Actually, we want to go straight to the point. So what we want to do is scroll a little bit down, and we will find the sections from which we can actually select the templates we are interested in. So for example, right now, maybe I'm interested in creating a Facebook cover. All I have to do is go with my cursor over this title here, Facebook cover. I will press here or click here with my mouse, and you will see that the templates will load for me. So as you can see, I have different types of templates here for my Facebook cover, right? Now, obviously, the images that you can see here, for example, let me select this one. All the images that you can see here are for one of my businesses. So this is not something that you will randomly get from the program. These images with gardening stuff and flowers and somebody gardening. These are images that I've personally uploaded. Obviously, you can upload your own images. There's no problem with that. So basically, how you can edit this template. For example, you have these images here, and you'll see that you have photos here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the backdrop, So basically the backdrop is the background of the template. As you can see, if I will go with my mouse here in the menu on the backdrop, you can see that I can actually see the whole image, the whole photo in the editor. Then you can see that I have the fourth image here with the call to action. What I can do is basically I can hide the image if I want to, from this small button here, or I can edit the image if I want to. I know, add a certain effect to it, make it darken, make it fader, give it a little bit of contrast. I have different effects here, as you can see here below the actual image, I have this editor like invert, hue, vignette, smooth. Let me go back. I don't like these effects. The contrast one, I like it. And I have to confirm the effect if I like it. I will confirm the adjustment by pressing on this button, and that's how I've edited my image. Now, if I want to, let's say, change the image, the only thing that I have to do is just click on it. Go to download section or wherever you have your images on your computers. You select an image that you want. I don't know, let me just find one as an example for you guys. Let's say that I will select this one. And as you can see, it uploaded my new image here. It works the same for all the other spaces here. You can see the images here. You just have to click on them, select a different image, and so on, right? Now, above this section with your photos, you have the colors, First of all, you have the shapes. you can hide the colored element, okay, basically the border of the shapes, or you can activate it. Okay, so you can see that you have like this switch on and off button under all of your elements to hide it, or I don't know, activate it. And if I will click on the color of the image, I can basically change it. As you can see, if I'm scrolling down for the colors here, okay, if I'm going with my mouse over, if you have a look here in this part while I am playing with the colors, it will change the colors. Okay, maybe let's say that we want a white, we press done, and that's it. Okay, the overlay, basically that fade overlay that we can see on the backdrop image, we can change that as well. Let's go maybe for something green like that. We press the button done, and we can even change the backdrop a little bit. Okay, but basically we don't have a backdrop, we have an image for the backdrop. Okay, then we can edit the text that we can see here, like the call to action, test 1. You can see that it has been edited here, hashtag the same. Okay, then we can change the fonts if we want to. Basically this is how it works, guys. Pretty nice, right? Now let's say that in the middle of editing our template we want to change the theme, okay, the colors and everything. No problem, we can see that we have the themes here above our editor. Let's say that we like this one here, we just have to press on it, we press the button confirm, and you can see that the fonts have already been changed. Okay, basically in this case it will only change the fonts because we have different colors based on the template and based on what we have worked and edited here up to this point, right? So this is how simple it is, guys. Okay, to create a new Facebook cover or a new design. Now how do we save our design? Very simple. You will see that we'll have this this download button here. We just have to click on it. It will prepare the download for us. Bear with me for a couple of seconds because it will take a couple of minutes for it to load. 1 out of 10 downloads used this month. Oh, this is something that I forgot to tell you, but probably you won't use this so much in order to use all of your downloads. You have 10 downloads per month, okay, using this app. I think it's more than enough for somebody who is just creating a design from time to time. You won't need all of that. Now, after the download has been prepared, I will press the download button and voila, it downloads my design to my computer. Let's check it out. So this is my new Facebook cover, guys. Pretty neat, right? So it looks actually pretty nice. This is how you create it. Very interesting, right? Now let's take a look at some of the other stuff that we have here in the left side menu, some of the other templates. For example, maybe I want to create a social media post. I will just go to the social square post, click on it, and wait with me for a couple of seconds. And as you can see, we have different templates here. This is for a book promotion. Okay, so basically you can see we have different types of posts here. I like all of them. They are actually very good, some of them. For example, this one, it actually looks very nice, very neat. Okay, now let me go to other stuff like Facebook cover. We went through that. Creators, mockups. Let's see what mockups templates we have. Okay, this is one example, another example of mockup template. Facebook ads, let's go through the Facebook ads. Okay, pretty neat. For example, this one, I think it's a very good Facebook type of ad, or this one as well. Okay, so you can have Facebook ads, as you can see, or this one is also very good Facebook ads, or this one can also be something very good, or even this one. Okay, guys, so you have different types of templates of Facebook ads, and I think some of them are actually really good. For example, this one, or this one here, or even this one. Okay, so you have from where to choose. Now let's go through the tools as well a little bit. Let's see the collage tool, for example, and afterwards I'll let you be because probably you got sick and tired of watching me through this video, okay, explaining to you. So as you can see, we have different templates of collages. Some of them are actually really nice. For example, I like this one. This one, it's also very good. This one here looks pretty interesting. So we have different templates for collages as well. Watermarker, let's see the watermarker in action. So this is how a watermarker looks like. Okay, basically, for example, if you want to use the watermark, we just have to select a template type. And obviously, instead of the icon, we can change with our logo. Instead of the logo, again, we can change with one image of our own. And you will have an image with watermark after that. Okay, just click on the two images, change it with your logos or your own watermarks, and you will have an image with your watermark on it. As simple as that. Afterwards, you download it to your computer, you post it wherever you have to post it, and you will have an image with a watermark, so nobody can steal it from you and use it for their own purposes. Now guys, I hope that this was helpful for you. I hope that you have learned something in this video, and I hope that you will enjoy this tool Relay, because it actually has some very cool templates and features, and I hope it will be useful in your marketing activity and for your business, and even for fun purposes. Why not? Thank you again for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in my other videos as well. Until next time, I wish you all the best and maximum success. Bye bye for now. Sorin here. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome to our first lecture where we actually talk about a tool that you can use for yourself to enhance and create your images, your own images for social media use. It's called Social Media Image Maker. It's an online tool. You can use it whenever you want, from wherever you want, and you can create stunning images and with the right sizes that you can use, for example, for your profile image on Facebook, okay, or LinkedIn or Twitter, to create your cover photo on Facebook. Okay, or to create different types of posts also for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or whatever type of social media you are using. This is the main page of the app. As you can see, you can find the app here at this link that you see here in my browser. Okay, authorplanet.com/app. Social media image maker. So just write this down, okay, or copy it into your browser, and you will have access to this tool immediately. You don't have to create any type of account. It's completely free, so you don't have to worry that anybody will have your email address and send you all the time different promotions. Okay, this is a free tool that you can use exactly as I've told you before, from wherever you want, whenever you want. So let's start to see exactly how you can use this tool. It's actually very simple. You can see that here in the left side of the screen you have a menu, okay, for every social media platform that you can use this tool for. For example, you have Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Google Plus, Flickr, Vimeo. You have a lot of social media platforms here. Most probably you will use it for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Maybe some of you guys are using Tumblr, also Pinterest and YouTube, but most of the people are using it for Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, exactly as I've told you before. So for example, you select Facebook. Okay, this is the first one, and you have here different types of templates that you can use the platform for. You have cover image, okay, to create your cover photo. You have profile image, you have normal posts, you have highlighted posts, okay, event. If you create events on Facebook, for example, maybe you have a business, you have a restaurant or club or pub or something like that, okay, and you are creating events all the time, it's very important to have an attractive image for your event that you have created. Okay, application images, maybe you are creating different types of apps on your page. Also, you need a very good image. So for example, let's choose the profile image so you guys can see exactly how this app works. You just press the button create here, okay, and the editor will load. Now the first thing that you will do is to add your file, okay, and I will show you an example. Okay, I will choose a photo. For example, let us choose this photo. Okay, this image can be used for, it's a very good image that can be used for a profile image, but it doesn't have the right size, okay, and also we can make some enhancements to it. So for example, this is the right size, okay, for a Facebook profile image. We click the button apply. Okay, then we can add some different effects from here, from this upper menu. Okay, for example, we can add this effect, we can add Wild Wild West, okay, Mr. Spock. This one looks really nice, Woodstock. So we have different effects. This image was this photo was already a professional photo, so it doesn't need enhancements. But if you want different types of effects, for example, this one can be a very good type of effects. Okay, it looks very nice. After that, you have, okay, you press the button OK, you have other enhancements that you can make. For example, sharpen the photo, okay, blur the photo, you can add more noise, okay, to the photo, desaturate the photo, you can focus the photo. For example, this is a very good effect that a lot of people add, focus line. It gives it a professional look if you just focus on the subject in a profile image. For example, we can select the focus line, and these kinds of give it an even more professional look. In my opinion, if you have seen videos or different types of professional photos, the ones that give you the most credibility and trust, and also professional look, okay, have this separation between the subject, the main subject, and the rest of the background. Okay, the background most of the times it's blurred, okay, and it gives you a more professional look. Now we just go to see if we can make any other enhancements. Okay, you can choose the name of the photo, okay, for example, and you can choose the type of the photo, if you want it to be a PNG or an or the standard one, okay, the JPEG, okay, standard. And after that, you just download the image. Okay, thank you for waiting while downloading your file. You will see your file is downloaded here. You just press on show in folder and you will have access to it instantly. Obviously, when you download it, you can instantly share it, and this is a very cool function on Facebook, Twitter, or wherever you wanted to use it for, okay, for whatever platform you wanted to use it for. So now we press cancel, and that's it. That's how simple it is to use Social Media Image Maker. So you can practically resize and enhance your images for your profiles, covers, and posts in just a couple of seconds or minutes. Okay, so I hope this will be helpful for you guys. I hope that you will find this tool very useful, because you can actually create very fast, very good images for your social media accounts. Thank you again for your attention. You know already you are awesome, and I will see you in our next lecture. I send you my best wishes. Sorin here.